I was stuck in a season of silence, praying prayers with no reply. But heaven was breaking the silence, and now I'm walking into the light. Every wall that held me in is trembling at the sound when we're in. This is the sound of breakthrough. Chains fall down when you move. Shout it loud, the grave is empty. Hope is rising in full view. When you speak, the night must flee. I'm not who I used to be. This is the sound of breakthrough. I've been dry, but now I'm dancing. Faith is fire in my bones. Even storms can't stop this rising. All this praise will shake the throne. From the valley to the mountain, from the ashes comes the shout. He's the God of every moment, and my breakthrough's breaking out. This is the sound of breakthrough. Chains fall down when you move. Shout it loud, the grave is empty. Hope is rising in full view. When you speak, the night must flee. I'm not who I used to be. This is the sound of breakthrough. From the valley to the mountain, from the ashes comes the shout. He's the God